GCBP 552 gas cylinder backpack is used with the 552-liter gas cylinder to provide more than 5 times the gas volume available in a standard non-refillable gas cylinder. The carry bag is perfect for technicians who are calibrating or testing fixed sensor heads for carbon monoxide in parking garages, methane at petrochemical facilities, and calibration of fixed sensors in coal mines, such as CO, CO2, CH4, and O2. The GCBP 552 is a heavy-duty canvas material with back and shoulder straps. Tubing is run from the regulator through the shoulder straps for ease of use. A stopcock is located in the tubing to allow technicians to shut off the gas flow when not required. GCBP 552 is ready to be used, providing technicians the ability to move easily throughout the facility. Thank you for watching. For more information on any of our products, feel free to contact us using the links below. Follow us for more tips and advice from our experts.